I'm Dr. Varsha Gavani. I'm a practicing consultant psychiatrist in Ulhasnagar since last 22 years. Depression, we all know, is a very common mental disorder that affects how a person feels, how a person behaves, and how a person reacts. The most common symptoms of depression are sadness of mood that is pervasive in system, sleep is disturbed, appetite is reduced, there is loss of interest in work and pleasurable activities, there is loss of concentration, lethargy, fatigability, multiple somatic complaints such as headache, body ache, and there are other vegetative symptoms as well as sexual activity is also affected. There are suicidal ideation in which a person feels that it is better to die. There are feeling of worthlessness and helplessness. Many times depression is associated with anxiety symptoms such as palpitation, pounding of chest, tingling numbness, and fear that I am going to die. Depression is most commonly caused. The common causes of depression are genetic factors. If someone in the family has depression, then there are chances that it will pass on to the family members. Then personality also plays a major role in depressive disorders. Certain personalities such as depressive personalities or cluster B traits, they are more prone to developing depression. In depression, there are lots of changes occur in the brain. There are certain neurotransmitters such as serotonin, epinephrine, and norepinephrine. Their imbalance causes depressive symptoms. Depression can be treated by various modalities. The most common modality is antidepressant drugs. Various antidepressant drugs are available in the market which can be used, and the effect of the antidepressant starts and they take some 4 to 6 weeks for full action, and they take 4 to 6 weeks for action. The second modality is electroconvulsive therapy, which is indicated in very severe type of depression and in suicidal patient. And the third modality is psychotherapy, which includes lifestyle modification and counseling. In lifestyle modification, physical exercises, yoga, meditation, these are the certain activities which can be incorporated. Then alternative, or sometimes nowadays alternative therapies such as Reiki, acupuncture are also used. These are the certain factors which helps us in overcoming depression. But the most foremost and most common thing is that since the awareness of the depression is increasing, it is better to diagnose depression and get treatment from a professional person